What in the world is up mga kalamon and Gong Shifa Kai? Let me take you back to what happened yesterday. So, got my laundry early and prepared for brunch. So, tuna and red onion. Yes sir. Diet food. As long as it fits your macros. Samahan natin ng isang rice and of course 2 eggs for the protein. Yes sir. So, pagkaluto, nilagay ka agad dito sa bowl and it's simple, it's filling, and if you ask me, it's tasty. Yes sir. As long as hindi ka nabobore sa diet mo, it will get you through. Panalo yan. So, after a few hours ay pagkatapos bumugso ang ulan, ako ay nagbook ng Grab dahil kasi we're gonna go to the mall today. We're going to do a couple of things so you're going to see it throughout the video. Ang traffic situation right now, maluwag, and I hope everybody is chilling. Lalo na tumulan, napakasarap tumambay nito sa bahay. Pero yung mga tao na nasa labas, I hope everybody didn't get caught in the rain. And kung sakali man kayo na bumiyahe, I hope you got to your destination safe. Pagkatating natin dito sa Glorieta, checking out yung crowd sa mall, konti pa rin ng mga tao. Yeah, this was after lunch Tapos pumunta tayo ng Lenovo. Pumunta ako dito sa Lenovo dahil kasi yung authorized service center na accessible sa akin yung sa Glorieta. Due to the volume, so mamaya pang 5 daw available yung technician. No problem with me. Makakapag-ikot pa tayo. Kasi lately I've been experiencing problems kasi dun sa pagkarga ng power dun sa laptop. I'm checking out all my options kung kaya naman kasi siya na maayos paggamit ng kumaayos pa yung power, so I might do that. Ayoko pa kasing gumastos para sa bagong laptop I mean, meron naman kaya, pero that money kasi I could use it for other projects so natin we're gearing up for something interesting come second half of the year. So sige, ikot muna tayo. Checked out some new cameras. I like going to Henry's kasi parang nakikita ko din kung ano yung available na gear sa market dahil more or investing back into the videos kasi is nag-reap din siya ng long-term benefits para sa akin. Kaya I always try to look for the best quality or the best gear na pwedeng gamitin. We still have a lot of time bago tayo pumunta na Lenovo, so probably might get a snack din. I don't know, like a pre-workout meal, I guess. Yeah. Sakto lang down, low ng tao ngayon. I have an idea where to get a snack, pero dahil naman na tayo dito sa baba, pa-picture dito sa Money Tree, we went to Mad Marks to get some ice cream. So, lilipat daw sila to a better location. Interesting. I have to check on that. And, voila, Banorio. Yes, sir. It's actually one of my favorite sa mga ice cream flavors nila. So, one scoop. Let's break into it. Napaka-thick And isang kagat, banana and Oreo. Panalo yun. Since I had time, ako ay bumili na rin ng pagkain for dinner. And why not have fat food? So, kumuha ako ng Taiwan style fried rice at saka kumuha din ako ng chicken chop. Ito yung naging damage natin. Yes, sir. So, pagka-takeout, pagkadala sa bahay, just weighed out what I needed to eat. So, this is around 4 ounces of chicken chop, tapos around 110 to 115 grams of fried rice. Yes, sir. As long as it fits your macros, panalo yan. It's really delicious. Sobrang sulit. Tapos sumalit natin ng isang pang round of rice. Yes, sir. Panalo yan. So, let's go back dun sa Lenovo. Buti na lang, ang naging resolve is bumili ako ng bagong charger. Alright, so sige, before we close this particular part of the scene first, particular part of the story, shoutout sa Lenovo dito sa Glorieta. Napaka-smooth ng sales at saka customer service para sa akin kasi 3 lang sila tapos may mga sinserve pa na clients. Meron ding mini-maintenance, may sinservice sila na 1 laptop on top of sales. So I appreciate the transaction. Ang naging ending kasi nito, pinalitan lang namin yung charger. Buti na lang. So, pros and cons. Una, hindi tayo mapapagastos ng mga upwards at around 60 to 70,000 dahil kasi yun yung presyo ng isang laptop eh. Kaya ayoko naman gumamit muna ng credit card. Para sa akin, the small con, if you're going to think about it, is yung pagbili mismo ng laptop adapter, yung charger, which is nasa around 4,400, 4,500, mga ganun. Pero I mean, comparing 4,500 to around 60,000, 70,000, parang mas gugustuhin ko pa yun. Yeah, sige. Right, so ngayon tayo ay maglakad ulit. Yeah. Lakad lang tayo ng konti before I go to the gym dahil kasi today is Belts Day. Yeah. Okay. Let's do that. Pagkababa, dumaan ako dito sa Eng Bitin. Yes, it's been a while eh. Ako'y kumuha lang ng tikoy roll at saka kopya. Yes sir. Chinese treats once in a while. So for tonight, I did delts. So dito, focus lang natin again, all three heads. Yung shoulder presses ko to hit more of the front delt, I put it a little bit more forward. Did some front raises to further emphasize yung pag-work natin ng front delt. And not a whole lot of weight even on side delts. Shoulders is a small muscle group, so hindi mo naman kailangan ng sobrang bigat na weight. Enough to stimulate and dagdag lang ng weight to challenge. Tapos noon, ended with some cardio. Now, umiikot kasi dito yung Dragon Dance all throughout the mall complex. So, para madaanan ng swerte, prosperity, and good wealth ang lahat ng mga establishments. So, pati rin kami. Shout out dun sa nagdala or yung crew nagdala ng Dragon Dance. Appreciate the hard work. And wishing everyone prosperity this Chinese New Year. Follow for more.